Let's learn shapes. Basic shapes. And we are going to draw circle. And let's fill it with another color. And what it's called? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Let's draw a square. Let's fill it with yellow. What's called? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Let's draw another shape. Triangle. Fill it with red. What's called? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Let's draw rectangle. Rectangle. Fill it with green. What's called? Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Let's draw diamond. Fill it with purple. What's called? Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Let's draw pentagon. Pentagon. Fill it with orange. What's called? Pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. Let's draw hexagon. Hexagon. Fill it with blue. What's called? Hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. Let's draw star. What it is? Star. Let's fill it up. And S-T-A-R. Star. Let's draw an oval. What it is? Oval. Fill it up with dark red. And what's called? Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Let's draw a cube. What it is? Cube. What's the spelling? Spell with me. C-U-B-E. Cube. Cube. Let's try cylinder. Spell with me. C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder. Let's make cylinder base. Yeah, this is our cylinder. What spelling again? C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder.